Hello crafties, it's Sandra from Fire. Today we are going to learn a little trick together. I heard some crafties having problems choosing background colors to their designs, so I'm gonna show you an easy and fun way of making this decision so much more easy. Be sure to have the layer below your design activated like this, and then you go to the little circle here and press it, of course, and now you're going to choose the solid color option here and see what happens. Something magical in the background is now appearing. So you can choose around like this in the color palette, and you can make every kind of color by drawing this up and down the slider. But I have a magic trick for you that I often use when I design. Oh, this is very pretty though. Then you go to the eyedropper tool as we have activated. Be sure that you see it here that it's highlighted. Then I will zoom in here, and then you can magically pick colors from your design. So now I click here and ta-da! The backgrounds are now in line with the, oh, this is very beautiful, with the colors in the illustration. So just pick around like this, and the color harmony will fit your design beautifully. I like that dark one. Let's see if I can get it back. Oh, this was beautiful. I think I will stick with this. But have fun with this, and then remember to press OK, of course. And then you see this little color widget here, and if you want to change the color, then you just activate it by double clicking on it, so this pop-up appears, and then you can go and change it again. Feel free to play around with the settings. You can always get new ideas, and the best things are always created by a mistake. So just go wild on the settings. You cannot destroy anything. If you don't like the colors and you get all panicky, just close the window before saving, and you are back to the original colors again. And in a future video I will show you how to quickly redo and undo things, because I heard this is something people struggle with in the beginning of the designing career or journey. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to hear more tips and tricks for beginners using Photoshop and trying to learn drawing by hand. You find the links below in the description. See ya, crafty!